Good here?
Here. Have fun in Vancouver, Maxie. It's been a long time looking at you. Oh no, Spirit! Why are you coming in the way?
I think he's gonna land fast.
Yeah, he's stopping, he's coming. Oh my god. This is crazy. Crazy!
That's a private jet.
Yo! Get out of here. Alright, bye. Have fun in Vancouver, people. Happy travels. He's going to Vancouver. Happy travels, people.
That's a long flight.
Yeah, it's an hour flight. I don't know how much. Yeah, maybe. No, it's okay. Oh my god, it stinks. Uh-oh. Here comes the big jet blast, people. Yep. Sorry guys, I'm running in a different direction because I'm boring. Shut up, Puny.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I see it. Shut up, Puny Porter. Get out. You don't exist.
Because of him, maybe this guy's not taking.
See, Puny?
Oh.
Puny playing took revenge. Yeah. See, look at that. I'm Air Canada, the puny. Haha, you suck. I'm landing. Shut up, Porter. Shut up, puny. You are. Porter! No! I'll put you one guy. Bruh. See, No, this is a chaotic airport. We're in chaos right now. Guys, and we got Porter coming up. Damn, this is chaotic. Now he's going up. I see him.
this? Porter?
Yeah, Porter. It's going to. I forgot. Oh yeah, it's going to Fort Lauderdale, I think. I forgot the name. That's where it's going. Yeah, it's going down somewhere. Oh god, it's busy. It's packed. Behind.
Go this way.
Hey, why'd he stop? What? Yeah, now he's leaving. Goodbye.
There's somebody else landing. That's it. You stop here.
What? Who's coming? Check the radar right now. I cannot. No, he's moving. He thought. Look how goofy this plane is looking. He looks like a chicken. Shut up! Don't call me a chicken. Haha, you are a chicken. Idiot plane.
Airplane chicken.
Watch me. I will jet blast all of you guys. You shall die. Oh yeah? I have strong powers than you. Shut up, Porter. Get out. I'm leaving. Shut your mouth. You will get out, you maniac. Jeez. Yo, left. The sun's blocking my way. Okay, well, we did it. There's supposed to be Air France coming. Air France is coming. Everybody, give a big round of applause for Air France and A350 coming from Paris by welcoming them to Ottawa. Sorry if I'm talking with mouth full. I'm eating. There it is, guys. Air France. Let's say hello to him. Say hello to Air France. Hello, Air France. Paris. What's up? Yo.